Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about electric welding. Okay, still you have seen about electric heating. It is the unit 2 is two parts. The first part is electric heating and second part is electric welding. Already you have seen electric heating and based on the problems. Okay, now we are going to discuss about electric welding. Okay. The electric welding is a process. Two pieces of metal are brought to a plastic state. By generating heat, they are fused together. Okay, welding. So, if you are going to be weld any material, definitely will require two pieces. The two pieces are going to be break up. Okay, once again, I am telling. It is a process. Two pieces of metal are brought to a plastic state by generating heat and then are fused by together. Is called electric welding. Okay. Now, advantages. What are the advantages and disadvantages of electric welding? Okay. First advantages. It is the most economical method to permanently join the two metal parts. Very important. Most economical method to permanently join two metal parts. First one. Second one, it provides design flexibility. Means so each and every person is having separate needed separate designs. So based on their own interest, he can be designed. So I want to this type of design, so you can select. That is an flexibility is available in this electric welding. Okay, next advantage, welding material or equipment is not so costly. So simply that cost is less. Okay, either welding material or equipment is not costly. Cost is very less simply. Okay, next, it joins all the commercial metals. The next one, both similar and dissimilar metals can be joined by welding. Either similar or dissimilar methods are joined. Either same type of materials or different types of materials also can be joined by welding. Okay, one last advantage, portable welding equipment are available. Portable welding equipments are available. Okay, next, disadvantages. So these are all our advantages. Next one is that disadvantages. Welding gives out harmful radiations and furnace. It will give out harmful radiations and furnace. If welding is not done carefully, it may result in the destruction of workplace. So be careful before going to weld, otherwise you are facing some problems. Okay, skilled welding is necessary to produce good welding. Means experience or well-known persons. It will give that result is good. Next one, needs internal inspection. Okay, these are the advantages and disadvantages of electric welding. Next one, classification of electric welding. So likewise, electric heating classification in similar way, classification of electric welding. There are two types of classifications. First one, resistance welding, and second one, arc welding. Second one, arc welding. Again, resistance welding is classified into 4 types, and similarly arc welding also classified into 4 types. First one, resistance welding. There are 4 types: spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, and B and H welding. Again boot welding. Boot welding is again classified into 3 types: upset boot, flash boot, and stud boot welding. Okay, these are the whole are resistance welding. Next, again another classification, arc welding. Again 4 types. Those are metal arc welding, carbon arc welding, atomic hydrogen arc welding, helium welding. These are the whole classification of electric welding. We will see one by one. First keywording, resistance welding. Resistance welding, how it will be work, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages. Okay, I will see in this concept. Okay, keywording, resistance welding. See here, it is a fundamentally heat squeeze process. It is a fundamentally heat squeeze process. The term resistance welding denotes a group of process in which welding heat is produced by the resistance offered to passing of electric current through the two metal pieces being welded. Two metal pieces being welded. Okay. The process after from this fusion of, there is no extra metal is added by the joining of this, means filter or wire is that and eliminated. According to Joule's law, heat produced electrically it will gives by H is equal to I square RTJ. H is equal to I square RTJ. Heat produced electrically. Okay, the amount of heat is produced. This amount of heat is produced by depending upon the following parameters. That parameters are square of the current, time of the current, the resistance offered. The parameters are square of the current, the time of the current, the resistance offered. Usually R is the contact resistance between two metals being welded together. Contact materials being together. So see that picture. This is that resistance welding block diagram. This is the resistance welding block diagram. See that supply is given to AC supply on mobile arm, fixed arm, and next workplace. The point positions A to B and electrodes. So taking a 2 electrodes will between that workplace. Now fixed arm is present and mobile arm present. Between these two we are going to be joined that any metal. Okay, so based upon the structure we have to explain, that's all. Okay, this welding machine is checked in order to produce the required the time to is the content with the procedure extracted by the electrodes as shown in figure. Just we have to write that what are the parameters, what are the points is involved in diagram, we need to write it. That's all. Okay, a mobile electrode arm consider and process is that A and B together current is passed through is that assemble this metal is to be an piece together. Therefore the hence that square of a current and square of automatic square surge is automatically switch off the supply. This welding is widely used because the low cost and speed is determined with the performance. Okay, next, advantages of resistance welding. Heat is localized where required. Where required. Welding action is repeated and no filter material is required and requires comparatively less skill. It is used for large quantity production. Both similar and dissimilar metals can be welded. Permanent metal is not harmed. Next one, Disadvantage is that selection can be welded is the only disadvantage is high, or the maintenance and cost is high. Maintenance cost is high disadvantage only one. Okay, this is the complete details about resistance welding. So tomorrow class we will see the classification again, resistance welding, spot, stream, boot and welding we will see one by one. Okay, thank you.